ng groom at ng groom or ng bride, kundi ng both sides. So thank you. Thank you so much. Are we ready to take our dinner? No. No energy at all. You know, you need to have the energy. Pag hindi kayo umayo, ganon talaga. No. You don't take drugs tapos hindi ka mag-energy. You need. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, ready na kayo mag-dinner? I can't hear you. Ready na kayo mag-dinner? There you go. Since nanalo ang table number 7 sa games kanina, sila ang unang pupunta dito para magpa-picture sa ating newlywed couple. Then yung food ninyo, isuserve na lang po yan sa table natin. Table number 7. And then after that, table number principal sponsor na po after. Apa, kasama po kayo dyan after po ng winner natin sa game natin.